Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the control knob on your Samsung dryer. Let's get started. To remove the knob, push your fingertips in between as far as you can, between the control panel and the knob, then pull out to release the locking tabs. This may be a little difficult and may take a while. If you have a bad control knob and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the knob, align the flat edge on the knob to the flat edge on the stem on the control panel and firmly press to snap back in place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.